Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw numbers 1 to 20. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Yellow color, red color, purple color, light green color, sky blue color, orange color, light pink color, green color, dark pink color, brown color, black color, and last one is blue color. It's now you draw one and use blue color. One, O-N-E, one. It's now you draw two and use black color. Two, T-W-O, it's now you draw three and use yellow color. Three, T-H-R-W, three, it's now you draw four and use red color. Four, F-O-U-R, four, it's now you draw five and use purple color. Five, F-I-V-E, five, it's now you draw six and use light green color. Six, S-I-X, six, it's now you draw seven and use sky blue color. Seven, S-E-V-E, and seven, it's now you draw eight and use orange color. Eight, E-I-G-H-T, eight, it's now you draw nine and use light pink color. Nine, N-I-N-E, nine, it's now you draw 10 and use dark green color. 10, T-E-N, 10, it's now you draw 11 and use pink color. 11, it's now you draw 12 and use brown color. 12, it's now you draw 13 and use blue color. 13, it's now you draw 14 and use black color. 14, it's now you draw 15 and use yellow color. 15, it's now you draw 16 and use red color. 16, it's now you draw 17 and use purple color. 17, it's now you draw 18 and use light green color. 18, it's now you draw 19 and use sky blue color. 19, it's last you draw 20 and use orange color. 20, the numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.